Hi everyone! Welcome to my first video on YouTube. I'm Sabrina, I'm 20 years old and I'm from Italy. As you may have guessed from the title, this is a video tutorial. So I'm going to show you how I made this makeup look inspired by Mr. Daniel. I'm going to talk about the beauty world in general and maybe give you some tips about brands and products. First of all, I want to thank my fashion agency, The Fashion Concept, and my manager, Moreno Galli, for giving me this beautiful opportunity to share with you my passion for makeup that I have since when I was a child. I really hope you can enjoy my work. Please let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and maybe if you have any questions or tips for the next video. As you can see, I have already prepared the base with the Soleil on Town foundation by Roche-Posay. I made a mix of two colors to get the perfect shade for my skin tone. Now I'm applying the concealer. I used the Defense Color Luminizer by Bionique. This is the number 101 Porcelain. I apply it under my eyes and I blend it with a flat brush. I'm starting now the eyes look using the Cupid's Arrow number 2 by Nella Cosmetics. This is a very pigmented brown pencil. I apply it along the lash line. You don't have to be precise, cause later you have to blend it with a brush or with your finger. So I get a smoky effect. You can also layer them, so you can start soft and go back to it to intensify the look. Now I'm taking the Metropolitan Cutie Palette by Nella Cosmetics. These are the 6 colors. Some of them are super creamy and very easy to use, even for beginners. I want to start with this solution, which is more neutral. I dab it on my lid with my finger. I'm now applying Alaska on the inner corner. This is the multi-reflecting shade of the palette. With this palette you can create natural looks but also more intense and pop looks. Okay, I want to intensify the look, so I apply the Cupid's Arrow on the waterline. This is very intense and long-lasting. Now I'm taking the Daily Mood by Mulak Cosmetics. I pick with the eyeshadow by Mulak the color number 32 Paddle and apply it on the crease. And I bring it up. Then I go ahead with the eye makeup with Anomalia, that is the gold shade of the palette, of the Metropolitan Cutie Palette, and I apply it on the center of my eye with my finger. Now I'm taking the new nude palette by Huda Beauty, from which I choose to apply Raw. I take the brush and I blend it on the lower lash line to get a smoky effect. Well, I define my eyebrows with L'Art, that is the super intense brown of the Metropolitan Cutie Palette. I complete the eye makeup applying some mascara. I use Mascara Bump by Pupa Cosmetics, which is very creamy and volumizing. For the base makeup, I use the Sculpting Touch by Kiko Cosmetics and I contour all my face with this. I contour just a little bit with this product because later I'm going to use bronzer. I use the bronzer by L'Oréal Paris. And now I'm using the Radiant Touch Highlighter by Kiko Cosmetics. I apply the product on the cheekbones with my fingers and later I'm going to intensify it with the illuminating powder by Wycon Cosmetics. This is part of the Ocean Melody collection. This is the number 03 Gold Vibes. Final step, lipstick. I'm going to use Glam Touch by Nella Cosmetics. It's super creamy and very comfortable on the lips. Bene ragazzi, il trucco è terminato, io spero tanto vi piaccia, fatemi sapere cosa ne pensate sotto nei commenti e magari anche se avete qualche richiesta in particolare per i prossimi video o qualche consiglio, perché no, non si finisce mai di imparare. Io vi mando un grosso bacio, spero che il mio video vi abbia tenuto compagnia e perché no, magari vi sia stato utile per apprendere qualche tecnica o per conoscere qualche nuovo prodotto. Io vi mando un grosso bacio e ci vediamo alla prossima!